Hi friend, my name is Junaid and you are watching my channel Junaid Production. In this video I will show how to make a inverter. Now let's get started. For making inverter guys, you will need a UPS kit, mini UPS kit. You can buy from Draz.pk. I am using DC battery 12 watt 7 ampere battery. You can see this. And you will need a 12 volt 3 ampere battery charger like this. And I am using plastic body to fix the all parts. Now let's start to make this. First we will need a fix the battery with the help of double tape. Guys, battery has been fixed with the help of double tape. Now we will need to fix the inverter mini UPS kit. This will also be fixed with the help of double tape. Guys, these parts has been done. Now we need to fix the charger, 12 volt 3 ampere charger. ये वाली Guys, all parts has been fixed, but we need to connect all wiring. Now I am going to connect these all wiring. First we need to connect this wire, these two wires, UPS wire. It has been fixed with the help of soldering. Guys, there is socket wires. We need to connect these wires. It consists of 220 volt. Now guys, time for installing bulb. Guys, it has been fixed. Now I am going to fix the energy saver. Guys, it has been working. Now I am going to fix the button to operate this. There is a button. We need to connect this in this side. Guys, button wire has been connected. Now guys, time for installing charger wires. There is charger wires. And there is charger wire, and charger wire has been connected. Friend, this is charging indicator light. There is charging indicator light, and there is charging wires. Guys, this is charging wire, and all part has been fixed. This is working very good. Now let's time for testing. Now guys, I am going to test soldering gun. Guys, you can see this, it has been working. Both has been working at same time, energy saver and hot glue gun. Now guys, time to test charging. Guys, it has been also working. Guys, my inverter UPS has been ready to use and it's working very good. So thanks for watching and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Have a nice day.